because this is going to be the test drive before installation of the noise reducers. Let's have a look. At 90 kilometers per hour. Okay, so it's 90 and the noise is 88 decibels. It's really loud. I wonder what's going to be the actual noise level after installation. Stopping now. Disassembling the interior. This section basically finished. Left the gap also here. This part also kind of finished. This side is finished. I left some space and it's not touching any spots that might have water. The bottom part I have placed the old material and the glues not holding. Anyways, for the top section I'm going to use Silent Coat Production. Doors finished. I placed two coats and the bottom is a old material. I have removed the old vibro stuff. Now I'm going to apply new coat like that. I'm going to leave this part because it's not damaged. I don't think this is a main source of the noise. both of the sides finished. Quite alright. I'm going to stick something here that will reduce some vibrations on that panel. This is how it looks like now. And because this part is rusty, one day I'm going to fix it and then place something to isolate the noise. The engine cover also. I think this is also really important. This part and this wall also. Everything is finished. I am kind of hoping maybe 2 decibels at least, or 3. I would be so excited if I would have like 3, even 4. I was using this weighting because of the price. It's obviously cheaper, and with the locations that it's more difficult, I was using a silent coat material. Let's finally test drive it, shall we? The noise before, so noise at idle 78, 80. 77, launching, this is good. This is around my expectations, but 85 is alright. It's far more less noisier than it was before. I'm pretty happy with the result. Maybe let's try and switch off the engine. It's like 1 decibel less. Good! To sum up, the difference before and after is significant. From 3 to 4 decibels is a really big difference. Thanks for watching, bye for now.